What is Frankie's app? So this is like a pizza app. I don't know if it's only available in Denmark or is also like scaling to other countries. But yeah, if you're in Denmark, in Copenhagen, you can order pizza. You can order now. You can book a table. So they just have some offers and promotions right now. So you can order pizza for pickup or delivery. There is like a free soda. There is some 20% offer for first order. There is like a, you can spend like 10,000 krona and get 10 pizzas for 100 krona. And then you will just save like 500 krona. Can just pay with mobile pay. Can get a lot of pizzas. So it kind of, this app makes sense if you wanna order like 10 pizzas, or you having a party. Then it makes sense. If you just wanna order like one pizza, it doesn't have that. I mean, it's nice pizza, but it's a bit more on expensive side if you're traveling in Copenhagen. And then also there are a lot of these new Frankie's restaurants. You can just go and book a table as well, and then you just create your profile. There are promo codes. You can get a free gift. So feel free to use my invitation code, and then want to share with your friends, and then they can enjoy a free gift. So yeah. So just enter this invite code in the promo code, where you can just enter it out. And that's the idea. Hope it's helpful.